Good day, gentlemen and ladies. Here we go again. Another winter storm just coming up. As you see, my car and the kid having fun. So, yeah, we're Sunday, the 16th of February. It's 16:20. And there's Gaetan coming back from a walk with the kids. So, are you ready for another snowstorm?
Yes.
Yes!
Yes.
It would be an interesting one.
The last one.
The last one, yeah. All right, folks. Bye. So, just to keep you informed, is the kid did some snow fort after I passed. They did some pretty big up. I'm just gonna show you that. Again, it was a snow battle story, but yeah, they dig some place. But definitely, I mean, the snowbank is at least 10 feet high. 10 feet? Roughly, yeah. Oh yeah, definitely higher than me. So, as you can see, right there. Oh! So, at least it's less windy than the last one. Wind will pick up during the night, but should be good. So, stick around. See you tomorrow morning. Cheers! Bye-bye, Geta! Hey! I don't know if you can see, but this time it's less windy, but the same temperature. It's a too cold snowstorm. Usually, snowstorm came with a lot of moisture and warm air. But those two, this one and the last one we had, they were cold. Like you see, minus 17 Celsius or almost minus 20 last Friday. These are cold. Time to have supper. We'll see that tomorrow. We'll have time. All right. Cheers. Here we go, folks. We're 6 o'clock in the morning. You can see my car in the dark. So let's go for another session of tractor therapy, snow tractor therapy. All right. Cheers.
canción para mi gente, con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando, yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando. Shall we do with the drunken sailor?
Alright folks, so it must be around 7 o'clock. Usually it takes me an hour to do everything. I'm going to go see my good sport veteran Bill opening his driveway, because this is almost the third snow. I mean, third is because Thursday and Friday it was the same storm, but the last 2 days. And today we're Monday the 16th. So yeah, I had an outstanding fun tractor therapy with my open cab tractor, my little red Mahindra red workhorse subcompact tractor. And thank you very kindly for all your positive comments. I know sometimes it gets boring because I'm trying to have various views, camera views, to make you interesting. But by the way, this is the second winter that had much snow. The first winter in 2021, for my long-term subscriber, I mean, I had a snowbank like this all the way to the far hydrant. Now I'm about halfway, or maybe 1/3. But the second and the third winter, well, it was I remember the winter after we had no snow at all. The third I had a little bit more, but this one definitely. And we're only mid February, so there's still some snowstorm coming up. Definitely cold, because right now it's minus 18. It's going to warm up. It was supposed to be warming up, but I guess the cold front stay longer. So take care of yourself. Remember folks, life is very good. All right, take care of yourself. Cheers. So the dehumidifier is on, the rear fan is on, so that will unfrost my tractor. It's still minus 17, so yeah, life is very good. Cheers.